The reason your map animations do not look like Vox is not your editing. It is that the look you are copying comes out of one specific tool, and until recently, it lived behind a $300 plugin. We review it so you don't have to. The tool is GeoLayers. The original is GeoLayers 3, an extension for Adobe After Effects that lets you design and animate real maps directly inside your timeline, rather than exporting flat pictures from somewhere else and faking the movement by hand. That distinction is the entire thing. The Vox and Johnny Harris style is not about the map looking nice. It is the camera, the push-in, the label that arrives a beat after the country does, the travel from a whole continent down to one street. When the map is live in your project, those moves are keyframes. When it is a flat image, they are a fight you lose. Now, here is what changed, and almost nobody mentions it. There is a browser version at geolayers.app that needs no After Effects at all. You pick any location on Earth, style the colors, base maps, and labels, drop in markers and drawings, and animate it on an item-based timeline instead of keyframes. Then render straight out as an MP4 or a 4K image sequence. The After Effects plugin is still $329.99, plus an Adobe subscription. The browser one asks for neither. So, the verdict. If you already live in After Effects, the plugin drops into a workflow you have. If you just want the shot, start in the browser. 8 out of 10. If that was useful, hit the like button and subscribe so the next review reaches you. Turn the bell on as well. Thanks for watching.